1. Waste management deals with both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Step in waste management: separation of waste, waste collection, waste recycling, waste disposal. 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce is the make and use less materials. Reuse is the used thing repeatedly for the same or another purpose. Recycle: it is to take materials from things you throw away and make new product using them. Tamil Nadu is leading in India by banning plastic things. Plastic bag, plastic plate, plastic straw, water butch, plastic sheets. Practice 3 R's. Always put in a bin. Reuse your paper. Use writing. Use reusable bags.